Yo, we got something super dope inside today's box. These haven't released since 2008, if I'm not mistaken. So it's finally time, you know what I'm saying, Jordan brought them back out, giving us something we all been wanting for a very, very long time. And they finally bringing it to us in 2023, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. It is always greatly appreciated. I know I sound like a broker when I say that, but I really do appreciate all you guys tapping into today's video, because you don't have to click on it, you don't gotta watch, you don't gotta hit that like button, you don't gotta comment, but you guys be doing all those things, and I greatly appreciate it, man. But if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy, so you don't miss out on any content like this. Of course, to give you guys early looks, exclusive access information, shop drops, all that good stuff happens on the channel. If you want to be a part of the Vintage Squad, all you gotta do is hit that red button, hit that subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content. I challenge all y'all, bro. I challenge all y'all to smack that like button. It's free, a great way to support your boy, and it's greatly appreciated, man. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. IG, Twitter, all that good stuff is down below. So if you guys want to tap in with me over there, all you gotta do is go down below in the description box and go check out all the links I have down there, so you guys can see what we're doing all across these platforms, bro. All right, man, so here we have them, bro. We got an early look for you guys today. Long anticipated one, because I feel like I should have had this one a little while ago. I feel like, you know what I'm saying, they were out there and I just did not secure them, but we had them today, you know what I'm saying. Lo and behold, bro, it was a little wait, it was a little, you know what I'm saying, hassle trying to find my size in this pair. But again, like I said, we have them now, and I'm gonna give you guys what y'all probably been asking for, bro. Early look over some upcoming heat that we have in November. And I'm telling y'all, bro, I thought November was a slow month, but it's actually a lot of stuff that's dropping. You know what I'm saying? We started off with the Royal Reimagines, and then we still got some crazy heat to come this month, bro. I'm on my years, which we do have behind us right there. A full review and on feet will be coming for those very, very shortly, so stick around, because those drop a little bit later in the month, if I'm not mistaken, man. So let's go ahead and get in here, bro. Let's see what we got in the box. You know what I'm saying? Before we get into it, bro, everybody smack that like button. You know what I'm saying? It's free, like I said, and let's get into it, man. Let's go ahead and get into these things, bro. And the box is really, really nice, bro. The box is really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that, man. Check it out. You guys see the box, man. You should, if you guys are some sneakerheads, y'all can kind of put 2 and 2 together with these colors in this box. You should know exactly what we have in here, man. An official colorway reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, Night Stadium, and Total Orange. And I got these joints in the size 9.5. I told y'all, man, recently I've been going up in all my Jordan sneakers except for Jordan 13s and Jordan 1s. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what has been going on. I feel like that size 9 ain't been hitting the same, bro. So I went up half a size to a 9.5. These are definitely staying in the collection, bro. So let's go ahead and pop the lid open and see what we have inside, bro. Guys, check out the tissue paper, man. Check out the tissue paper. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys a lot more detailed look when we do the on feet, because these don't drop for another couple of weeks. So we gotta break these things down, you know what I'm saying, give you guys all the detailed looks, bro. So let's go and peel them open, man. Let's peel them open, man. And yes, sir, man, we have them, bro. Long anticipated, you know what I'm saying, cop for your boy, the Vintage. And here we have the Air Jordan 3 Fears, man. Look at them things, bro. These things look way better in person, man. I felt like it was a little bit overhyped, a little bit overrated, but in hand, bro, these things is nice, and it's definitely a nice pair for you guys to add to the collection, in my honest opinion, man. Let's go ahead and pull both of the sneakers out of the box. You didn't get any extra laces yet. No extra laces. Just come with the black joints in there. But I can see a lot of laces getting swapped out with these right here. You guys see them, man. Air Jordan 3 Fears. Is this something you guys are gonna be going after, bro? Is this something y'all been eyeing all year long? And I don't know if it's just me or if it's, you know what I'm saying, the mass majority of us. I did not know these were releasing this year, bro. I did not know these were releasing. We got the Fear Air Jordan 3s. So I'm pretty sure, bro. I'm pretty sure next year we're gonna be getting the Fear Air Jordan 5. I think they dropped in a 3 and a 5, if I'm not mistaken. Let me pull it up real quick so I can give you guys misinformation. So let's go ahead and go to sneaker bar of their choice. That's usually where I get all my information regarding sneakers. They break it down. They let you know, you know what I'm saying, when last time they dropped. So of course you got the Air Jordan 4 fears and you have the Air Jordan 5 fears. And here we have the Air Jordan 3 fears, man. I'm liking them, bro. It's a real subtle colorway, not too much going on. Just imagine these joints would have dropped during Halloween. I can see a lot of people trying to match them together, piece them together for that holiday. And these joints is nice, bro. The size of the shoe is leather, actually. It's no nubuck. So it's just leather. And I'm trying to make out what this little crackled material that they threw on the midsole is. Not too sure. But it's the same type of material you got with the Air Jordan 4 taupe haze. I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section if you will be securing a pair of these things. You already know these joints about to go straight on feet. Can't wait to do the, you know what I'm saying, full review and on feet, man. Got some dope pants to throw with these. I don't have a lot of orange sneakers besides the shattered backboards. But it's, in terms of threes and other silhouettes, bro, I do not have it at all, bro. They definitely hit us with a nice little hit it out orange and the heel of the sneaker and the tongue, and checking out the outsole, bro. They went crazy down there as well, bro. So like I said, man, first time these dropped in a very, very long time, man. I know there's gonna be a lot of people out there that is, you know what I'm saying, hyped to get these joints just because they ain't released in so long. None of the fears. And if I'm not mistaken, bro, I feel like the Air Jordan 4 fears are coming out sometime soon too, or maybe it was just a rumor, man. But here we have them, bro. The Air Jordan 3 things releasing November the 25th, bro. November 25th, these ones should be dropping. I think the retail tag is $210, man. So that's something Jordan Brand got to reevaluate next year, bro. The retail done went up from 170 to 180 to 190, 200, and now you're paying $210 for a general release, bro. General release. And case in point, bro, the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined retail for 180 or whatever, and now they're going for literally like 120 bucks, bro. Literally $120. So they just dropped that, you know, retail down a little bit. Then people be more excited to get the sneaker and not having to break the bank, because $210 for a pair of Jordans, for a pair of sneakers in general, bro, is kind of overkill if you ask me. So again, man, please let me know down below in the comment section if you will be going after a pair. Are you snagging them up? Is this something you're gonna keep on the back burner? Because I said we still got the NOIR 5s, a white pair and a black pair. We still have the DMP or the Gratitude Air Jordan 11s. We got a lot of stuff that's still in store for us to drop in the end of November, end of December. So a lot of people are not gonna prioritize a lot of these shoes that's dropping because there's so much stuff that is coming out. But again, man, here we have them. Air Jordan 3 fears. You got some nice looks at these, bro. The hits, the quality, all that good stuff is hard. And then check out the gradient on the midsole, bro. Look at it transition from that like dark gray to that speckled black on the heel, bro. That is really, really crispy, really nice. And again, it's my first time seeing these in hand, my first time seeing these in person. For like, I never seen them in hand. So having these joints in today, bro, they do live up to the hype, man. That Fear 3, super dope, super hard. And I definitely think it's gonna be a lot of people trying to obtain these joints when they do release. You know what I'm saying? So if you do want them, don't sleep. Put your leg work in, put your footwork in. Because the Fear 3s, well, next time we're gonna see this release, probably not in a very, very long time, given the fact that the last time the Fear pack dropped was back in 2008, bro. That's a long time, man. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in, bro. Another early look for the Vintage Squad. Happy to bring you guys these visuals. And all I ask you guys to do is subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and comment something down below pertaining to these Air Jordan 3 fears. Yeah, man, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, your boy, The Vintage, is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.